this video, we will show you how to remove password from Windows 10. To remove password from Windows 10, it's very easy. First, you need just click the Windows icon and choose Settings. Then go to your Accounts. After that, click Sign In Options in here. Then on the password, please click Change. In here, your password is theirs, but to remove it, you can just click Change. Then this is type your current password and click Next. Then to remove your password, just leave this is empty or blank like this and then click Next. Then click Finish. Now your password has been removed. So the button in here is changed to Add, not Change. That's all.